Hi, I'm Sean Eubanks with STRAINWISE Consulting and host of BluntBusinessRadio.com. This week's webinar is titled How to Write a Winning Cannabis Application in the State of Michigan. With an already robust count of 262,000 medical marijuana patients, coupled with the fact that the state will start accepting applications for new cannabis businesses on December 15th, Michigan is poised to receive the economic boosting tax revenue few other states in the country enjoy. It will be informative, and I will cover a lot of information in a short period of time that will give you the information you need to write a successful winning cannabis application. So do not miss this webinar. Also, join me on BluntBusinessRadio.com this week as I interview Dr. Michelle Ross. She is the founder and executive director of the Denver-based cannabis research and education nonprofit called Impact Network. Dr. Ross holds a doctorate in neuroscience from the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center and has researched addiction, mental health, and psychopharmacology for over a decade. She is also the author of 2 books, Train Your Brain to Get Thin and Vitamin Weed, a 4-step plan to prevent and reverse endocannabinoid deficiency. As a neuroscientist, she was frustrated by the lack of education on the endocannabinoid system both doctors and scientists received, despite medical cannabis being used by millions of patients nationwide. I was shocked to learn that all of us have an endocannabinoid system that is indigenous to our bodies. Tune in to learn how this system, when out of balance, can contribute to adrenal fatigue, affect your ability to lose weight, can even cause depression, anxiety, spikes in stress hormone levels, and even hinder your sex drive. You can download episodes of our program by going to BluntBusinessRadio.com or subscribing to the show on iTunes, Stitcher, and now on iHeartRadio. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you later on this week.